Good morning, my name is Rick Hart with Hart's Roofing and Construction. I'm here today to answer some of the common questions that customers ask us. One of the common questions is, hey Rick, do we replace all of the plywood underneath the roof shingles? The answer is no, only if absolutely necessary. So the first step that we do to make sure that our roof is nice and structurally sound and there's no mold is to do a visual inspection of the roof. Once the asphalt roofing shingles is off, we'll walk around the roof and see if there's any plywood that needs to be replaced. So if you walk with me here, you can see that all this plywood is actually in really good condition. Now we did have a couple of areas that were damaged. Up here in the front, we replaced this rot right here, and what we'll do is we'll re-nail this sheet down. But you can keep walking here and notice that all of this plywood here is in excellent condition. And this house was probably built in 1960. Now if you come up over here, we got a couple other sheets that we need to be replaced, but that's not a problem.